Hi! The plastic is there. Ano ba yan? Nandito kami ni Melvin sa glass walk. As you can see guys, hindi pa masyado tapos and it's rainy.
Ulan na, hindi pa tapos.
Ayan oh. Oh, hindi pa totally completed ang ano nila. Pero amazing, maganda. Yeah, very social. The plants, the garden, and everything amazing. As you can see right there. Woo! Pero pag matapos ito, it's very nice to come here and visit this place actually. As you can see, oh wow, amazing. Comfort, get a video of you. Hello, what's your name? Say hi. Grace. Wow. There's a restaurant. There's a garden.
And we have amphitheater.
Amphitheater as well. Wow, amazing.
And then we have a living nature statue.
Oo.
Dito sa underneath po na.
Underneath. So when did this place open?
It was opened February 1st.
February
open to the
1st.
public.
Oh, wow, amazing. One of the newest, tourist attraction here in Baguio City. Wow. Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Nice meeting you. I'll just roam around.
Yes.
Okay.
Enjoy po.
Yes. Come here, Vin. With Melvin. Yan, hello guys. Together with me here is, of course, what's your name again?
Jasper po.
Jasper.
You can call me Jas.
Wow,
Yes,
Jasper is here. So, glass,
yes po. Alapag Glass
Alapag Glass View Deck. Is this the newly opened pala?
Yes po. Last February 1.
Last February 1, and then there are a lot of guests are coming over. Is that the hotel over there?
Here sir, it's the administration building or Hiraya.
Oh, Hiraya. So, ilang tao pwede dyan?
Actually sir, kayang-kaya po ang 30 packs.
30 packs?
Yes,
Oh my
sir, 30
God.
people.
Wow.
Pero for better picture, we can wait naman po.
We can,
Yes,
okay, ano?
Yes po, while waiting, we can visit other establishments po sa baba.
Yes, oo.
Yes po.
Marami mga restaurants of the downstairs over
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, Jasper.
Thank you din po.
Okay. Yan, guys. 30 packs daw pwede. Don't worry, it will not fall down. Yan guys, as you can see the glass walk. Wow, amazing. I thought it's long, but it's not that long enough for you to, walk or whatever. It's just for pictorial purposes. Medyo hindi siya very long, pero pwede na rin for pictorial purposes. Anyway, as you can see guys, you can see the view. Very high rise. Ito na dito to. Sa pinakamataas na bundok actually. As you can see, makikita mo lahat overlooking everything. The skies, the mountains, everything. Masyado nataas, nakakalula guys pag tumingin kayo sa baba. As you can see, pero medyo manipis yung mga railings niya, oh. As you can see, pero anyway, well, ano naman talaga ito, I think. Pero, syempre, precautions. Baka mamaya, mabasag, mahulog si baklo, whatever, matanggal ang mga screw. Pero amazing guys to do pictorials. And of course, makikita ninyo ang mga view, ma-amazed kayo. It's very nice. It's very refreshing to see these beautiful mountains. And of course, the glass walk. As you can see guys, ang dami mga turista ngayon. Because this is just a soft opening, I think. Kasi andan pa ang place. Ayan ho, rumarampa si Melvin sa dulo. Nakakatakot pagdating na sa dulo, guys. Kasi pagdating niyo sa dulo, medyo medyo may dumadaan yung mga tao, parang umaalok-alok pa siya. Medyo umaalok-alok. Yes, exactly. Medyo umaalok-alok siya sa dulo. Baka mamaya, hindi naman well, I think the architect do the right thing.
Long,
pero, of course, precaution lang
ayan
talaga.
This is Melvin, very short lang
Yes,
pala.
of course, exactly. Like, yung sa
What can you
Titanic,
say?
di ba? Sinabi nila na Titanic, unsinkable. Tapos, na-sink, di ba? Lumubog. Pero anyway, I'm not saying that this thing will, will crack down or whatever. Pero, of course, precaution lang. Pag maraming tawag na pumunta sa dulo, isa-isa lang or dalawa, apat, lima, ganun or something. Pero according to Jasper, pwede 30 packs. Pero, para mas convenient, dapat mag-wait lang, wag pumunta lahat. Ayan, hinintay muna ni Bakla na umalis yung mga ibang turista para dalawa lang kami ni Melvin kasi ang bigat-bigat ko pa naman ako. Diyos ko, pak mahulog si Bakla. Buti kung shigok agad, kung hindi pa shigok, diba? Pero anyway guys, all I can say is that very beautiful place, amazing place to relax and unwind because of course you can see the mountain views and everything, very solemn place, peaceful. The word is peaceful, very beautiful. As you can see guys, nag-emot-emot si Bakla, rampa siya. Mamaya makaraka kasi ang bigat-bigat. Anyway, tinitingnan ko na kung saan ako kakapit. Anyway guys, ayan sa dulo.
Mabigot ako. Kasi newly constructed to baka mamaya bumigay We can never tell. We can never really tell the ano.
Ayan, pababay-babay pa si Bakla. Wow, ayan, rampa. Ayan, as you can see guys, medyo makapal naman talaga yung mga glasses nila, yung mga parang fiber glass na makapal talaga. Ewan ko paano tawag dito. But it's very secured naman talaga siya. Marami siya mga bakal sa ilalim. As you can see, very makapal naman siya. Pero pagdating sa dulo, medyo umaalok-alok siya guys. Ayun, pag nasa dulo ka na. Tapos yung sa gilid, medyo parang nakikita ko parang hindi siya masyadong makapal yung railings niya. Yun, ang observation ka lang. Pero anyway, hindi naman ako maglilin talaga. Tatayo lang ako dyan. And of course, as you can see, makapal sa ilalim pero ang sides, parang manipis ang railings niya guys. Pero I don't know. Pero careful lang talaga as much as possible. Ito ang place. Pwede kayo umupo, mag-unwind, of course, eat your snacks or whatever. And just wait for your turn. Pag maraming tao talaga, I think ito ang place na pupuntahan ninyo. Sa gilid lang ito nung glass walk, of course. Sa gilid lang siya. Dito kayo umupo while waiting for your turn. Kasi sabi nga ni Jasper, like 30 packs lang pwede. So, pag marami talagang tao, I think this is the place where they can sit and relax muna. And while waiting for their turn to do their pictorials and whatever on the glass bridge, ayan nag-emot-emot si Bakla. Feeling talaga Diyosa. Ayan pak. Very beautiful view. As you can see guys, nakikita nyo ang sky, the mountains, and of course the forest as well.
Ayan, happy si Melvin. Yan, dito sa glass house.
Ayan guys, as you can see guys, ang ganda talaga dito mag-pictorials. And of course, pag may mga event place ito guys, if for example you like to come here or do your events here, very nice. Pero all I can say is, andan pa guys, hindi pa siya tapos talaga. Ang mga gardens and everything, marami pa hindi tapos. Of course, parang soft opening pa lang ito, pero I think a lot of people will be amazed if, for example, they will come here. Welcome guys to the newest attraction here in the beautiful Baguio City. As you can see guys, doon yung glass walk. Yeah, they're very happy over there. Nag-emo talaga sila sa glass walk here in the beautiful Baguio. Yan guys, marami nang pupunta ngayon dito, much more pa kung well-developed na talaga ito kasi may mga areas na hindi pa tapos tulad ng mga plants and gardens not yet done, pero ang dami different kinds of flowers yung tinanim nila dito guys. Very amazing to see kung nag-bloom na ang mga yon and everything. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo ang garden nila, ang daming pababa. And then if you, for example, nagugutom naman kayo, may restaurant naman guys. Of course, may mga restaurants downstairs. Dito sa may ilalim nito, may restaurant overlooking siya. Very amazing, of course. Ayan guys, as you can see, ang mga pine trees, very nice. Preserve ang mga pine trees dito and the mountains. Oh my God, ang ganda, mga pine trees, very huge. Of course, preserve nila, hindi nila kinat off. And at the same time guys, what I'm observing is that very calm at saka peaceful talagang ambience dito. Because of course, the mountains, you can see the mountains, of course, very beautiful, overlooking talaga everything. Ang masyadong mataas ito guys, and at the same time, ang mga struktura nila, maganda, very modern na mga designs, of course, amazing. Kaya kung sa mga nagbabalak pumunta dito, of course, maganda dito pumunta pag summertime, and of course, yung mga, rainy seasons will do, but more probably, I would recommend this pag summertime. Of course, amazing to come here with your family and friends. May enjoy talaga ninyo. As you can see the garden, maraming garden doon sa ilalim, and this is one of the spot din dito. Oh, very nice. Ayan oh, parang mga bagong tanim pa lang guys, hindi pa talaga sila in bloom. May amphitheater doon sa ilalim, and at the same time, of course, guys, may restaurant, go sa mga coffee sa view deck. That's very amazing to relax and unwind, of course, because just as I said a while ago, that very calm and peaceful ang ambience dito, guys. Ayan o, marami din tao dito tumitingin pa lang kasi nakikita nila ang mga iba under construction pa, ginagawa pa. And at the same time, guys, what I'm experiencing is that mga ferns, very nice ang mga ferns nila. Ayan no, mga ferns talaga from the mountains. And the ferns are really, mga huge ferns. And at the same time, yung pine trees hindi kinat off. Yes, mga amigos and amigas, as you can see guys, ang mga fern dito, very amazing. Para talaga nasa Fern Gully the movie. As you can see, ang mga ferns, very amazing. Para talagang, it's so fresh. Para talaga nasa mountain, it's on its natural habitat. As you can see, ang daming mga ferns dito. And it's very amazing to do pictorials here talaga guys. Amazing. At saka mga flowers dito, as you can see, medyo bago pa lang yung tinanim mga flowers dito kasi ginagawa pa lang nilang garden, not yet done, at saka hindi pa sila in full bloom. Pero pag nasa full bloom na ito dito guys, ang ganda-ganda dito pumasyal kasi so many flowers din nilagay nila. And this spiral, parang bridge, spiral bridge. Ayan nag-emo si bakla, nagbabay-babay pa sa spiral bridge. Inikot-ikot ang mga pine trees dito. Ito ang spiral bridge. Of course guys, amazing to do pictorials. Ayan may mga dumaan ng mga visitors din, mga turista. Oh, wow.
Bye.
Mga first visitors. Mga turistas. Ayan, may mga bisita din, lumarampad din sila dito. Gusto nila mag-usyo. So, kung ano talagang bago dito sa Baguio City. As you can see, si Bakla, rampa, nag-emote, together with Melvin here. And then, ayan, tinitignan ko ang mga eksena dito, guys. Actually, hindi pa talaga totally tapos. Pero pag tapos ito, I'll assure you that this is really a very nice place to visit in. Makikita ninyo ang mga pine trees overlooking. Kalmado lang ang place. And it's very chill here, guys. Amazing. So, come na, visit this place. Camisong Forest Park and Events Place, guys. Dito lamang ito sa Luwakan, Baguio. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Judas Touch. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Enjoy life. Bye!